right. Oh, no, not the whole. Okay, this is Jaden decorating Daddy's cake. He just poured the whole thing of sprinkles on there. Okay, so now you gotta spread them out. You gotta make it look pretty for Daddy. Uh-huh. It's like a sprinkle mountain. What do you think? Okay. Can you spread it around a little, Boo? What do you think? Kind of spread around the sprinkle mountain. Okay, don't get too much on you.
Right in my mouth.
I know you got it in your mouth.
I see that now.
Okay.
I see that.
You want it, honey? We gotta wait for Daddy.
I need that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we gotta put the candles on the cake for him. Hold on.